Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine. Yes, you are enjoying at home, do your homework. Okay, so today is our English lesson, English subject. We will learn English. Yes, we learn today poem 5. Open a book. Yes, last lecture also we did. Okay, but today we will learn new things about this. Open a book. Okay, so you all know this. It is English, poem 5. Open a book. Yes, can you see here the book is open? Yes, can you remember anything? Well, last lecture I told you about this. When you open a book, you will find a new world inside. Okay? I mean, last lecture we have done this. Okay? So, okay, now see here. Open a book. Okay? Warm up. See, tick what you like most about a storybook. Last lecture I have told you. You must all be knowing this. Okay? So last lecture I told you that pictures, cover, story, the people in the story and the ending. Whatever you like most when you read a storybook, whatever you have to tick it yourself. Okay? It is your choice. I had told you last time. No? Yes. Now see, what we have to do? Open a book, okay? Now see, hard words we will do. Open, book, find, people, places. I have made you understand all these hard words. See again, number 1, open. What is the spelling? O-P-E-N, open. Yes, this book is open. Last lecture I told you, no? Then book, spelling of book. B-O-O-K, F-I-N-D, P-E-O-P-L-E, P-L-A-C-E-S, places. Okay? Open, book, find, people, places. We all have done this. Understood? Yes. Now see here. 6th number, kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Number 7. Anything, A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, anything. Number 8 is share, S-H-A-R-E, share. Wondrous, W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S, wondrous. Worlds, W-O-R-L-D-S, worlds. Okay, last lecture I have you have understood this. I told you, see this wonderful world in the book. Okay, see here different kinds of people, means types. See, can you see one picture? See these pictures. All the people are different, means all they are of different kind, means different types of people are there. Okay, see here also wondrous world, means beautiful world is there in the book. Okay, can you see these 2 pictures? What we will see in the book? We find wondrous worlds, mean we can imagine while reading a book. Okay, have you understood this? See again I am reading this. Number 6, kind. See the spelling of kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Number 7, anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, anything. Number 8 is share, S-H-A-R-E, share. Number 9, wondrous, W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S, wondrous. Number 10, worlds, W-O-R-L-D-S, worlds. I think now you all must have understood this. Okay? Yes. Now see here. I am reading this poem. Okay? Slowly I will read so that you can again read this in this lecture also. Open book. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read it to me and I will read to you. Yes, now you all have read this lesson, okay, this poem. You all know, I have made you understand it also. See, now one thing I want to tell you. See here, open a book. See, one time it is there. Open a book, this is 2 times. Open a book, this is 3 times. And open a book, this is 4 times. So how many times there are open a book in this poem? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 times open a book, okay. So how many times it is written? Poet has done, poet has written. See, open a book, open a book, open a book, open a book. So it is 4 times. Now you have to remember this, okay. See, again I am reading so that you will be able to do it. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. See what poet is telling? When you open a book, you will find people and places of every kind. I told you last lecture, kind means type of people and places. Yes, okay. When we read a book, we will learn about different places. We learn about different people. Yes, we get much more knowledge about people, places of every kind, of every type. Understood this first one? Yes. See now this next one. Open a book and you can be. See what the poet is telling? Open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. See? Poet is telling that when you open a book, you can be anything. Means you can, if you want, you can imagine whatever you want to be. You can do it. You can imagine. Okay. So you can be anything. Yes. See, open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Understood this? Yes. See now the next paragraph. See next stanza. Okay. Open a book and you can share. See, you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Yes, when you open a book, when you read about the world, which is very beautiful world you find in there, means you find in the book. Yes, you can share it, means you can tell about it. Okay, so what is there? Open a book, you can share, means you can tell your friends, you can tell what you have read in that book. Okay, you can make them aware of wondrous worlds, what you have learned, what you have read in the poem, and what you have felt. Okay, so next stanza, last one. Open a book and I will too. You read it to me and I will read it to you. Yes, here last one. Poet is telling that you open a book. Yes, I will also open the book and you read it to me, means you tell me, you read it to me and I will read to you. You tell me about your experience, what you have felt. I will also tell you what I have felt. So this way we will both can share. Understood this? See again, I will read this one time, okay, so that you will be able to read it. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I will read to you. Okay? Now see, meanings of this poem. Kind, type. Wondrous, beautiful. Wondrous is beautiful. Okay? See, kind, type, many kinds of people, many types of people. We can say that. What is the meaning of kind? Meaning means what it means in the poem. Kind means type. Spelling type, T-Y-P-E, type. I think you all have done homework, no? So you have written these meanings. I gave you in the homework so that you can learn meanings. Okay? And wondrous. See number 2, wondrous. Wondrous means beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Wondrous means beautiful. See the spelling of wondrous once again. W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S. Wondrous, beautiful. See here. Can you see in the picture? Wondrous means beautiful. Yeah, there is a beautiful picture here. We can find in the book. We can see wondrous world means beautiful world. Okay. See here the children are enjoying the wondrous world in the book. Understood? Yes. Okay. Yes. See now rhyming words. Find, kind. Find, kind. Find, kind. Okay. You all have understood this. We have done in the previous lecture. Okay. Last lecture we did this. No, about this. Now see here. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is this? Fill in the blanks. You all know fill in the blanks. There is a blanks means where you have to write the answers. Okay. So first you have to read it properly. Then only you will be able to do it. Okay. See, fill in the blanks. You have to read this and then you have to answer it. Okay. See number 1. Open, O-P-E-N. Open a book. What you have to write in the blank? Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Open a book. So in the blank you have to write book. Okay. Number 2 is you will find people and places of every kind. So people and dash means in the blanks you have to write places. P-L-A-C-E-S. Places. You will find people and places of every kind. We have discussed this now and then. Okay. So what will be the answer? Places. See, you will find people and places of every kind. Have you done this number 2? Okay. See number 3. You can be anything that you want to be. You can be anything that you want to be. See in the blank what you have to write? Want. That is underlined. There is a blank. So in the blank you have to write want. What is the spelling of want? W-A-N-T. Want. Okay. See now. You can be anything that you want to be. Understood this? Yes. Again I am reading. See. You can be anything that you want to be. So answer in the blank what is written? want. Okay. Number 4. See, you can share wondrous blank. Then there is a blank. So in the blank I have written the answer. Answer is worlds. 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 Okay. You can share wondrous worlds. Okay. Number 5. You read to me and I will read to you. Okay. Number 5. See number 5. You read to me and I will read to you. So in the blank what your answer will come? READ, read. Okay. Have you understood this? Fill in the blanks. Again we are going to revise so that you will be able to write. Okay. Fill in the blanks. See. Number 1. Open a dash. Now this is a blank. So in the blank what you have to write? Book. Open a book. Okay. Number 2 is you will find people and dash. See this is dash of every kind. So in the what you have to write here? Places. 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 Okay. Number 3 is you can be anything. See you can be anything that you blank to be. Blank in the blank what you have to write? Want. What is the spelling? WANT. Want. Okay. Number 4 is you can share. Wondrous. Here again the spelling has come. Wondrous. And there is a blank. In the blank what you have to write? Worlds. WORLDS. Words. Okay. You can share wondrous words. Understood? Number 5. You read to me and I will dash to you. So what will be the answer? You read to me and I will read to you. The answer is read. So you must know the spelling of book. See BOOK. Book. You must know the spelling of places. 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 Want. 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 Words. WORLDS. Words. Then READ. Read. Okay. See here. Book. Places. Want. Words. And read. So these are the blanks that you have to fill. See now again we will do it. Okay. See. Fill in the blanks. I will just read the sentences. Okay. So that you can able to write the answers properly in your book. Okay. Yes. Number 1 is open a book. Number 2 is you will find people and places of every kind. Number 3 is you can be anything that you want to be. Number 4, you can share wondrous worlds. Okay, you can share wondrous worlds. Number 5, you read to me and I will read to you. You all have understood this? Okay, see again I am doing this. Open a book. Number 2 is you will find people and places of every kind. You can be anything that you want to be. You can share, okay, wondrous words. You read to me and I will read to you. Okay? Yes. See again, true or false? When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. Yes, this sentence is true or false? We find people and places of same kind? No, we find people and places of different kind. Means different types of people and places are there. So this sentence is false. There are not same kind. They are not of same kind. They are of different kind, and I have showed you the picture also. Okay? Yes, we have done this, no? See, we have read this in the poem. Okay? See now. When you open a book, when you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. So this sentence is false. What is the spelling of false? F-A-L-S-E, false. So you have to write in the answer false. Okay. Number 1 is, when you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. That sentence is false. No, we find people and places of different kind. So this sentence is false. Have you understood this? See now number 2. You can be anything you want to be if you close a book. Is this right? If we close book, we can find anything? No. So this sentence is also false. See, you can be anything you want to be if you close a book. It is false. No, see here the book is open. If when the book is open, we can be anything. Yes, you can be anything you want to be if you close a book. So that sentence is false. Understood? See now number 3. When you open a book, see again I am reading. When you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. What you will find? You will find a beautiful world in it. Okay. So is this sentence true or false? Yes, this sentence is true. See, when you open a book, you will find beautiful world in it. Okay. Yes. See now again. See. Okay. Yes. See, when you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. This sentence is true. Okay. Now see number 4 sentence. The line open a book appears 3 times in the poem. Yes, it appears 3 times in the poem. No. How many times it is there in the poem? I told you in the last, in the first when I explained you know about the poem. I told you what I told you. I told you that open a book appears 4 times, not 3 times. How many times it opens? How many times it appears? How many times it comes in the book, in the poem? It comes 4 times. It does not come 3 times. So this sentence is also false. This sentence is also false. Okay. See again we will do this. True or false? Number 1. When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. That is false. Understood? See, when you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. That is false. Number 2 is, you can be anything you want to be if you close a book. If you close a book. No, that sentence is false. You cannot be anything you want to be if the book is closed. If the book, you can be anything you want to be if the book is open. So here it is close a book. No, this sentence is wrong. It should be open a book. Okay. Number 3. When you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. Okay. That is true. This sentence is true. Okay. Now see here. Now number 4. The line open a book appears 3 times in the poem. So that sentence is false. Understood this? The line open a book appears 3 times in the poem. This sentence is false. Now see, answer these questions. Okay? See now, what is there? Answer these questions. So, question number 1. First you have to read all these questions. So only you will be able to understand the answers and you will be able to write correct answers. Okay? Question number 1. What can you do with the wondrous words that you find in a book? What can you do with the wondrous words that you find in a book? So the answer 1 is, you can share the wondrous words with others. What can you do? You can share the wondrous words with others. Understood this? Question number 1. See, what can you do with the wondrous words that you find in a book? What can you do? So answer 1 is, you can share. Yes, you can share the wondrous words with others. We can share wondrous words. Okay? So see again question number 1. What can you do with the wondrous words that you find in a book? So there is a question mark. Okay? Answer is, you can share the wondrous words with others. Question number 2 is, what does the poet ask the reader? See, reader, the poet asks the reader to do in the end. See what the poet asks the reader to do in the end? Yes, answer 2 is, the poet asks the reader to read the book. What the poet asks? Yes, the poet is telling, no, you read to me and I will read to you. So, the poet asks the reader to read the book. See, what is the question? What does the poet ask the reader to do in the end? The poet asks the reader to read the book. Have you all understood this? Okay, now see again we will revise this, answer these questions. So for that you will be able to read the questions. Okay, so reading is a must. What can you do with the wondrous words that you find in a book? You can share the wondrous words with others. Okay, you can share the wondrous words with others. See now question number 2. What does the poet ask the reader to do in the end? See, once again I am reading this question. What does the poet ask the reader to do in the end? Answer 2 is, the poet asks the reader to read the book. Okay, have you understood these question answers? Yes. Okay, now I think you all have understood this. Okay, yes. Now see, we have done question answers, we have done meanings, rhyming words, we have done fill in the blanks. Okay, rhyming word, fill in the blanks, true or false, meanings, hard words. So I think you all have done this in your fair book, your homework you have done, no? So yes, so you have to read the poem. See here, the book. Which book? Open a book. See, here the children are reading. They are opening the book. What you will find in the book? You will find wondrous world. Yes, here can you see this both the book? You will find wondrous world inside it when you read it, and you can be anything that you want to be. See, here these three children are reading. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the lesson. So do your homework properly with your own handwriting, and thank you for doing this. Okay, very good. Okay.